Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already have a file or console open. Now write the function you want repeated. Describe its inputs and side effects so you control behavior. Next, pass that function to Setinterval along with a numeric delay in milliseconds. Use a clear name for the handler if you will clear it later. Once done, test with a small delay like 1000 to observe output. Make sure to avoid heavy synchronous work inside the callback, otherwise the loop will lag and pile up. Once you have the interval ID stored, you can programmatically stop or replace the loop. This is crucial for cleanup. If you need conditional repetition, perform the check inside the callback and call clear interval when the condition is met. For user interactions, tie start/stop to UI events and debounce start calls to prevent duplicate intervals. Also consider how timers behave in inactive tabs or under throttling. Adjust logic or use visibility events to pause work when appropriate to conserve resources. To finalize, ensure every set interval has a corresponding clear interval during teardown or when the repeating task is no longer needed. This prevents memory leaks. If your callback can throw, wrap it in try/catch so one error won't silently stop expected behavior. For time-sensitive tasks, measure timestamps and correct drift rather than relying purely on the nominal delay. Troubleshooting tip: if callbacks stack or stop, check for uncaught exceptions and multiple interval registrations. Clear existing ID before creating new intervals and log the interval ID to trace lifecycle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.